Hi dear students, today we will be learning about what is narration. This is also known as speech. What is a narration? This is an act of reporting the words of speaker. We report the words of speaker in two ways: direct speech, indirect speech. What is direct speech? The actual words of speaker are quoted as it is. They are enclosed in commas. As in example, you see, Yogesh said, I am studying. John said, what are you doing? I am studying. What are you doing? These are the actual words of the speaker. Direct speech is Yogesh said, I am studying. I am studying. These are enclosed in the commas. These are the actual words spoken by Yogesh. Yogesh said, I am studying. Yogesh said is a reporting speech. I am studying, the words which are enclosed in commas, is a reported speech. And said, the word said is a reporting verb. Now, what is indirect speech? The actual words of the speaker are transformed. They are said or written in a simple language. Now, why do we need it? We need it to avoid all the confusions, to report all the words properly to the listener. Let's take some examples to learn about it. Direct speech. Yogesh said, I am studying. Said, reporting verb. I am studying, the actual words in enclosed commas, reported speech. Now, how do we change it from direct to indirect speech? In indirect speech, it changes as Yogesh said that he was studying. How do we change direct speech into indirect speech? There are a number of rules. Let us learn. First, reporting verb, said. Said reporting verb doesn't change, it remains said. Then we remove commas and use conjunction that. After we have removed the commas, the reported speech will change into according to the tense. The tense is here present continuous, and in indirect speech it will change into past continuous. So, number of rules we follow in the change of direct speech into indirect speech. Let us learn them in detail. There are 6 steps that we follow in the change of direct speech into indirect speech. First, we change reporting verb. How? Said to changes into told, said remains said, say to, tell, says to into tells. Then second step, replace with that. We use linker or conjunction that. Then third step, we change pronoun. How we change pronoun? First person changes according to the subject of the reporting speech, and second person changes according to the object of the reporting speech, and third person there is no change. Then next step, change of tense. How do we change? This is a chart that shows which tenses changes. Simple present tense changes into simple past, present continuous into past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, perfect continuous into present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous, and simple past into past perfect, past continuous into past perfect continuous, and past perfect tense and one more, past perfect continuous tense, there is no change in the indirect speech. And future will, shall changes into would, should, can, may changes into could, might. And these all changes we do when our reporting verb is in past tense, and if they are not any universal truth or habit. Otherwise, if they are in present tense or they are in universal truth, we do not change them. Let's take example and learn how do we change now the update time specific words. How do we update them? The time specific words like here changes into there, tomorrow into the next day, today into that day, yesterday the previous day, this into that, now into then, tonight into that night. Now let's take example and learn how do we make changes. Change direct speech into indirect speech. She said to me, I am playing football with you now. Here, said to is our reporting verb. Said to changes into told. Then we replace that. We use conjunction that after reporting verb. She said to me that. Then we change pronoun. I am playing. I is a pronoun. I changes into she, and pronoun you will change into me. Then change of tense. I am playing, this is present continuous tense. It will get changed into past continuous tense. I am playing into was playing. Then change of time words like now. Now is a time word here. How it changes? Now changes into then. Now our indirect speech will be, she told me that she was playing football with me then. So these all rules we follow to change direct speech into indirect speech.